Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. This video is all about how to grow the pothos or money plant faster and how to make them bushier. I am going to show you one new idea and I hope you are going to like it. Like my most of the videos, you are going to see everything step by step and the final result at the end of the video. So let's start it from day one. Here are some of my cuttings of money plant which I kept in plain water just few days back. I believe you already know that it's really very easy to propagate the money plant simply by keeping the stems in water. Here you can see that my cuttings have already produced the roots and today I am going to plant all of them in the soil. Please also note that if you don't want to keep the cuttings in water, then you can also plant the cuttings directly in the soil as well. I am going to use this square pot and here I am going to plant 4 cuttings. So this is the number one thing you need to do. You need to grow more than 1 cutting in one pot and that way they are going to look much bushier in very short time. This is the second important thing and I hope you are going to like it. Here I am taking one PVC pipe. It's around 3 feet long and you can also see I made lots of holes in the pipe. You are going to see everything step by step and I made the holes with drill machine, but if it's difficult for you to use one drill machine, then you can use simply flame method. Next I am going to wrap the pipe with some jute rope. We need to do few very important things, so please don't skip forward the video. In the meantime, let's plant all the cuttings. Money plant actually grows well in any soil, but I am preparing the soil mix the way I usually do for most of my indoor plants. That means garden soil 30%, cocopeat 25%, vermicompost 25% and perlite 20%. I am also going to add 2 other components here. The first one is 1 handful of bone meal and second 30 grams of neem cake powder. But if you want, you can avoid adding all these components at this time as well. If you want to do the similar thing like me, then first fill the pot properly and then press the soil gently. Next, inserting the pipe in the center. See, if you first keep the pipe in the center and then fill the pot, then your pipe may not get the enough support. Now what's the thing is happening, some soil is staying inside the pipe and that's why it's going to stay straight. Alright, next I am going to plant all the 4 cuttings in the same pot and then I have to wrap them in the pipe so that they can climb up. We also need to do one other important thing. If you have observed, I took a quite wider pipe and the reason why I took is I am going to insert few things inside the pipe so that money plant get a good support and they can grow well. And this is the thing that we need to do if we want to make them much bushier. So the first thing, I am taking few wooden pieces, on second small pieces of coconut husk and on third compost cow dung powder. So I am going to put all these 3 components inside the pipe. We are done with first part and it's time to water. I am also going to water in the pipe as well. So next I am going to keep the pot in my balcony itself, but I am not going to keep it under direct sunlight. Anyway, I am going to talk about the sunlight requirements within few seconds. So guys, this is the final result, and as you can see, plants are growing well and it's looking bushy. It's actually winter time, and in winter time they don't grow that fast like summertime. But still I am glad that my plants are looking fine, and since I used the pipe and kept something inside, I am also getting lots of new growths from the very top part. So here is one vine and it's almost reaching the bottom of the pot from the very top part. So next I am going to keep this vine on the top surface of the soil, and eventually this one is also going to produce the roots, and then I will be able to shape it once again. Okay, let's talk about some of the most important things, and first one is sunlight. I hope you already know that most of the money plants or pothos prefer the bright light, but in the winter time you can allow direct sunlight as well. This is the same thing I am doing with my plant, and it's the winter time, and in winter time my balcony gets the direct sunlight from around 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. But please don't do the same thing with many other pothos, for example neon pothos. Neon pothos is not that good at handling the direct sunlight. If the leaves are not variegated, that means your plant is not getting the enough bright light. For example, here is one of my plant, same variety, but you can see that leaves are not variegated. I am also growing my plant in a very small pot. As you can see here, it's in a very small cup, it's growing well, but problem is leaves are not variegated. It's happening simply because I am keeping this plant inside my home, and inside my home there are not enough bright light. For watering, please be careful, they don't need lots of water, and before watering, let the top 1 inch soil dry out completely. I watered my plant almost 3 to 4 days back, and please note that it's the winter time, and here you can see the soil is still looking moist. In the summertime, however, I do mist my plant every day. You also don't have to worry too much about fertilizing your plants, and if you apply any fertilizers once in 25 to 30 days, it's more than enough. For my plants, sometimes I use NPK 19-19-19, and for that dose would be half teaspoon in 1 liter water. Sometimes I also use one organic fertilizer which is growth booster, and for that dose would be 3 ml in 1 liter water. So guys, this is all about how we can force our money plants to grow faster, and we can make them much bushier in short time. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you very much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.